Good day everyone. In order to test the handling of the drone, we carry out a hover test in the beginning to see whether the drone is stable and can be handled properly. It is important to understand how do we carry out the hover test of the drone. The capability to hover enables vertical takeoffs and landings, which do not require runways or facilities with large spaces. Hovering refers to the ability to hold position, height, and heading during constant flight mode. Therefore, drone controls require guaranteed stability at first to hold the drone. It is important that we carry out the hover test so that we can test the stability of the drone or hold the drone in a particular position. Let us see how we carry out that test also. To hover, you will use the throttle to get airborne. You will then use small adjustments of the right stick to keep the quadcopter hovering in place. You may also need to adjust the left stick slightly to keep it from turning. Use the throttle to get the copter about a foot to a foot and a half out of the ground. Make sure tiny adjustments with the right stick are done to keep the drone hovering in a position. When you're ready to land, cut back the throttle slowly. The quadcopter is an inch or two off the ground. Go ahead and cut the throttle completely and let the drone drop to the ground. Repeat this until you get comfortable hovering off the ground and landing gently. Make sure you perform your hover test very carefully and get used to the flight controls and the stability of the drone. Hovering is mainly done so as to understand all these factors, and it is important that you perform these tests. Thank you.